Everyone wants their hair to be beautiful, long, and healthy. But the most important thing is to first make your hair healthy. If you are thinking about how to make your hair healthy, then this video is for you. There is no need to stress so much, because today I am going to share some simple tips for healthy hair. Today we will talk about a 6-step hair care routine. Step 1. Hair oil and scalp massage. First, apply hair oil and gently massage your scalp. This helps improve blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Step 2. Shampoo. After that, wash your hair with shampoo. Always focus the shampoo mainly on your scalp. Step 3. Hair mask. Use a hair mask once or twice a week to give deep nourishment to your hair. Step 4. Conditioner. Apply conditioner only on the mid-length and ends of your hair. Avoid applying conditioner directly on the scalp. Step 5. Leave-in serum. After washing your hair, apply a hair serum to keep your hair smooth and shiny. Step 6. Heat protection. If you use heat tools like a hair dryer or straightener, always apply heat protection first. By following these simple steps, you can achieve strong, shiny, and healthy hair. Now, here are some daily hair care tips. Comb your hair every day using a wooden comb. Try to avoid plastic combs. Avoid very tight hairbands. Keep your hair tools like combs and brushes clean. Use a hair mask once or twice a week. Trim your hair once a month to maintain healthy growth. If your hair is damaged, you can use anti-breakage hairbrush, silk pillowcase, soft hair scrunchies. These help protect your hair from damage and breakage. Now remember, hair care depends on your hair type. For straight hair, use a mild shampoo. Apply conditioner on mid-length and ends. Avoid washing with very hot water. For curly hair, use a moisturizing shampoo. Detangle gently while using conditioner. Avoid rough towel drying. Wash 2 to 3 times a week to prevent dryness. For frizzy hair, use smoothing and hydrating products. Keep conditioner away from the roots. Rinse with cold water. For oily hair, focus shampoo mainly on the scalp. Massage the scalp gently. Avoid heavy conditioner near the roots. Wash your hair every 2 to 3 days. If you follow these simple tips, you can achieve silky, shiny, and healthy hair. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.